discuss the concept of GoDaddy in the news. Okay, let us move on to the conceptual background. What today we are going to discuss. Today we are going to discuss about the dashboards which are used in digital marketing. Traditionally, you might have seen if you want to buy any product when you are a kid, there's a board in all the shops which will display the price. That is the simple thing dashboard. Even now, the name of the store they create in a nice store and they used to display. It is also a dashboard with the help of the advertisement board. If you are visiting any malls, you can see outside a particular shop, there's a very big dashboard with the different actor, actress are coming. You can take a selfie with this actress in the notice board. That is the dashboard technology. Of course, we are using the immovable dashboard. Usually it is used for only promotion. But here, now we are having a digital marketing dashboards. Same thing, but it will provide you with information. How many customers are visiting? Even if you put your camera outside your business, you are seeing how many persons are crossing in front of our shop. Out of that, how many persons are coming? These video graphics now they are using in some of the shops. It is also one type of dashboard. If Rahul decided to know, let us assume Rahul is the owner of the DMart. So Rahul wishes to know how many customers are coming, how many customers are going, how many customers are entering into DMart, how many of them are buying the goods, and how many of them are taking the bags or something with them. He can go through the video clippings. Simply he will sit and see the video clippings, the entry point and exit point. He will compare. Okay, today around 20,000 customers came to the store. Out of that, around 4,000 persons purchased something. They are keeping something luggage and moving out. Simple analytics, same thing. It shows that 40% of the customers have purchased the goods. It never means that 60% of them are not ready to buy. You won't go to a store in a single. If you ask Sarath, Sarath will go to a store, DMart, not alone. Sarath will call Sanat, then Sarath will call Sashi, plus sometimes they may call the Vinay also. All this gang will go to the shop, but they will buy a small thing, a gift to a girlfriend in somewhere else. That is why in case of normal dashboard, we are facing the problem. Our normal dashboard will say 5 persons entered into the store. Out of that, only one person purchased. So the conversion rate is only 20%. That is what the normal dashboard will say. But here, in case of digital marketing, you must know clearly. You have already studied the funnels. How many customers are coming, are visiting our website, or seeing our image in the social media? After that, how many persons are ready to buy? Then only how many persons buy. In other words, how easily we can convert a person into a customer. That is the purpose of these type of dashboards. It gathers data automatically and it will show to you. If Joshua is simply acting as the marketing executive, in his mobile itself, he is able to see. His mobile phone will act as a dashboard using some of the softwares, even GoDaddy.com. If from this GoDaddy.com, Joshua will see who are all the customers coming and why they are moving without buying also, or how we can easily convert. That is the purpose of the dashboards. That is the traditional concept. Of course, we are using number of terms for dashboard. Usually these are all called interactive dashboards, and it is normally used for decision making. In case of cinema theater, you can see all those things, the dashboards. The nice dashboard will be there. Now, book my show. How many persons are seeing that film? What is their customer comments? And the ratings given by the different persons about that film. All these things you can see. It is also a dashboard. In case of Amazon, the reviews of the customer. For customer, it is a dashboard. But for a marketer, what is the dashboard? That is today's question. That is why in case of marketing, we are following a concept called Rastra approach. It means that for the purpose of decision making, what type of tools you should follow as a marketer. If our Joshua is running a restaurant, what type of dashboard should have the Joshua? Joshua should have some dashboard, because otherwise he can't manage the restaurant. Rahul may go to the restaurant, he may ask prawn, and Jebin may enter into the restaurant. He may ask, I need only the tiger meat for today's lunch. How can Joshua will satisfy Jebin with the tiger meat? He may ask. Any person may ask. So, what type of dashboard in case of Joshua, if he is running a restaurant, should have? That is why we created a concept called Rastra approach. It is nothing, some wordings only. First one is R refers to the relevant. Whatever the data the dashboard is saying, it should have some relevant. It should be the answer for some question. Joshua wish to know today who are all the customers are coming, what type of food they are having, how many persons are eating prawn, how many persons are eating fish from dam, fish from sea, how many persons are taking crab, or any vegetarians are coming and moving out. All these things. So immediately for Joshua, the relevancy means the food preference. That is the relevant. In front of the Joshua, whenever a customer is ordering through the other respondent or an attender, yes.
Sanat is in waiting room, it seems, so he lost his connection.
Okay, Bob. So in such case, Joshua will see, oh, today the waiter has placed an order for crab. So immediately Joshua will think whether the crab is first available for cooking. He has to see. He has to see the cool reefer container. Is there any crab, or it is a dead crab, or whether the crab has been purchased 6 days back. So decision making is very important, because somebody entered into the hotel and asked for crab. In our example, our Rogan is asking crab with waiter in the restaurant. So immediately Joshua knows, oh, this customer is asking for crab. So whether our chef is able to make some eateries with the help of crab, how you have to cook the crab, That is also very important thing. That is the relevancy. Then only accuracy. Accuracy means the data should be correct. Correct in the sense it should not be an illusionary one. Because if Harish entered into the Joshua restaurant and he is asking, I need tiger meat. Waiter will enter. Okay, tiger meat. Is it accurate? That is the meaning of accurate. Accurate never means 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 because 1 plus 2 never becomes 3 in analytics, especially in case of business. Be clear. Accuracy means it should not be an illusionary one. Harish is asking, no, I need tiger meat. Go and bring. You are mentioning as a non-vegetarian restaurant, so I need that one. How Joshua is able to satisfy? Waiter doesn't know anything. Waiter will simply enter tiger meat, even though there is no option. When it goes to the cook will ask immediately Joshua only, Sir, we are not having tiger, but this fellow is asking tiger meat. Joshua should not shout against Irish also. Even though information is inaccurate, you should not shout, you should not lose. So what Joshua will do in the circumstances? He can go through the dashboard. The dashboard will say that there is an incorrect information and customer is asking tiger meat. Okay. So what Joshua will reply by seeing the dashboard. In case of India, even in case of some of the local restaurant, Joshua will call the waiter, go and tell the Harish that why you are doing nonsense. You are not having tiger meat. If you want to eat tiger meat, move out. That is the very old answer. At present, since Joshua is an MBA analytics student in marketing, what will be the answer from Joshua? Yes, Joshua, you are there? Joshua? See, our Joshua is not there. Okay, at least Harish, you are there?
Yes, sir.
I'm there, sir. So which Joshua? Tall Joshua or small Joshua?
Both are there.
Yes, sir, I am here.
Okay. Okay, Joshua, what will be your answer? Harish is asking tiger meat.
The answer for what, sir? Related?
What, Joshua? Hari, you are running a restaurant. In that restaurant, Harish is coming and he is asking, I need tiger meat for today's lunch.
No.
What
Sir,
will be your answer?
It is offensive to kill the tiger, sir, in India.
It is an offensive.
Yeah.
So whether you will inform him it is an offensive, whether Harish will accept.
Harish will not accept, but then I will provide him with some different meat, sir, telling him that it is a tiger meat.
Come on. Now you are 68% up to the mark. Good. That's what analytics is say. The dashboard will immediately says that what are all the equivalent items relating to tiger meat. He will say that we are having a very nice another meat. In case of local language, we used to call it as tiger. Simple thing. He will supply that one and he will inform that don't worry, Mr. Harish. We are going to give an equivalent one here. The tiger means a nice goat, a lamb available here. So we used to call a brand name for our meat as a tiger meat. Simple thing. That is how the notice board should inform you. The dashboard should inform to the marketer. Then only Harish is able to satisfy it, or Joshua can't satisfy the Harish. As per our marketing rule, we should not say no. We should not send the customer out. We have to satisfy. So we have to say in our language, you can see in our notice board, tiger. Tiger refers to our goat. Or even you can see the chicken 65 here in our restaurant. We used to call it as tiger meal. Tiger meal. Tiger is our brand name for our chicken 65. So we are going to serve that one. Equivalent terms immediately, that is the name of the accuracy here. Accuracy never means, as already told, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. It is waste in analytics. Then very important thing, the third concept of dashboard should be simple. Simple in the sense, when a dashboard is reporting, the person who is seeing that one is able to understand. Most of them fails to understand. Say for example, if a dashboard is reporting you the R square value or the coefficient of correlation, two persons are eating, Harish is also having food, Rohan is also having food, the correlation between Rohan and Harish is 0.78. Who will understand? Nobody will understand. It is the answer is correct. The answer is correlation. Our analytics clearly identify the correlation between the food taken by Harish, food taken by Rohan, and based upon the past experience, it says that there are some similarities. So it shows that the R square value or the correlation between Harish and Rogan is 0.68.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon, sir.
Yes, who are all shouting? Huh? Something. Who? I will see. Joshua?
Joshua, sir.
You
Sir, you did
Joshua.
not admit in the class.
Sir.
Yes?
With Joshua, sir. Tall Joshua.
Oh, big Joshua entered now.
Please let me inside the class, sir.
Why? What happened?
Because
I'm
it's
outside.
still showing host will let you in soon. It seems. Why, sir?
What,
Yes, I admitted.
Yes, thank you, sir.
You guys, so you people are waiting. You are late. As per your class tutor advice, you are
No,
not.
sir, we are waiting from
You should
12:50.
not say no. You lost. What, Joshua? You have to tell me in a positive manner. We are now thinking about an interesting story of your hotel. Huh?
So we were waiting. So
Yeah. Okay, that is the thing. Because these temporary mail IDs are not from our department. The temporary mail IDs are from other department. So I am not managing all those things, even though I am the host. Be clear. Because for elective subjects, they are given the different links. So the one admin is different, not from our department. Okay. Coming to our point of view, I think we are discussing the dashboard. You know, our Joshua is running the restaurant, and in his restaurant there are a number of customers. Harish, Rohan, all are customers. And what type of information Joshua needs from that one? What is the meaning of simple? We are going to discuss. A dashboard should display simple information. That is the concept. What is the meaning of the simple? That is very, very. In our example, what I am saying, Harish is also having lunch. Then Rogan is also having lunch. The dashboard is showing that the correlation between Harish and Rogan is 0.68. You may understand because you have studied some correlation. Correlation 1 means both are having the same function. Both are related. But now the dashboard shows that 0.68. Only few people can understand. So it is not simple. Simple in the sense, the preference between Joshua sorry, preference between Harish and Rohan, foods are equal. 68% equal. That means if Rohan is also ordering a crab, next time Harish will also order a crab. If Rohan is ordering the nice chicken 65, then 68% chance that Harish will also order. That is how we have to inform. That is the method of reporting. That is why it is called as simple. Simple in the sense it should show the relationship, not in terms of statistics. Nobody will understand the correlation is R value is equal to 0.68. Even though it is correct, it is not simple. That is why nowadays in dashboard, they are clearly mentioning. Then another one, as per the Rasta approach, is timely information. What happened here? Joshua, Jeffin, all joined later on. So for me, there is no dashboard. If there is a dashboard in front of me, it will tell around 5 students are waiting. So you can go through the participant list and permit. But unfortunately, in this situation, I am not having the dashboard. So I am unable to take timely decision. But in case of any marketing, the timely decision is very important. You know, the time is very important in marketing. Even in case of COVID pandemic, they converted it into a positive thing. That is what we mean by timely decision. That is timely. Even in case of restaurant, Joshua's restaurant is fully crowded. He knows today he is getting a meat crab from Goa, and he is going to mention that in the outside of the store. He will mention today's special. We purchased around 250 crabs from Goa seashore. A nice Arabic type of crabs are available for your lunch. Come and have. We are going to issue token only for 250 persons. That is today's special available. So what will happen? Joshua will think his aim is whether the 250 crabs what he purchased from Goa or somewhere else in Arabian Sea he is able to sell or not. So yes, dashboard will tell today by 11:30 81 persons registered. So we are expecting minimum 81 will come to our shop and have the crab. Joshua will think, what about balance crab? We have purchased 250 crabs. We have called a new chef for that one. We have undertaken a temporary chef from some other place. He is preparing nice crabs. He cut down neatly. He prepared a different slice of crab. Joshua mind will be like there only. So the timely information means it will give by 11:30 86 persons are registering. By 11:45 it is moving 120. So it will now give a report. Don't worry, Mr. Joshua. By 2:30 or by 3 o'clock we are able to sell the crabs, because otherwise it is waste. He purchased 250 crabs means if he is unable to cook with that one, he can't go for the next day. Everything is waste. He has to improve. So what Joshua will tell based upon the timely notice board, by 11:45 he is saying, okay, 80. Then 12 o'clock it is moving 140, 50 like that. But after 1 o'clock it is not moving. And he is now thinking whether the customers will come or not to eat crabs. So immediately what Joshua will do, by 1 o'clock, we are ready to offer a discount. We announced that a crab from Goa, Arabic Sea, is going to cost per plate 600 rupees. Now, we reduced by 550 rupees. He will mention. Timely decision is essential because of this dashboard. If there is no information from dashboard, he can't take any decision. The analytics should show clearly about the things. So by 1 o'clock, Joshua will give another 10% discount for crab. Then he will see how much it is increasing. Then by 1:45, another 10%. By 2 o'clock, he is afraid whether we are able to sell all the 250. The chef, he might have been hired. He may demand around 5,000 rupees for cooking because crab is not very easy to cook. I think, even very tough to eat. So by that time, the Joshua will give discounts and 40% discount by 2 o'clock. Then only he is able to sell. Yes, somebody is going to eat crab. What, Joshua?
Yeah.
You are there? What? Tall Joshua is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are ready to eat crab today?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Why not, sir?
Good. Even you are mentioning why not. Good. So the dashboard, that is the Rasta approach. The timely reporting is essential. That is the T. Finally, it should be annotated. Because annotated here, it means that not only the report should have clear thing, the dashboard, the smiley faces, you are sending in WhatsApp some of the images. Why you are sending some of the images rather than typing? Maybe laziness, that is 100%. But this image will speak everything. Joshua is sitting in front of the dashboard and the dashboard is giving smiling face, means he will be quite happy. That means today we are able to sell 250 crabs. But the smiley face is not coming. It is somewhat crying face is coming. These are all the nice conditions of the dashboard. Where the server can't understand or the servant can't understand, but Joshua will understand. Some crying face is appearing means, oh, we have ordered 250 crabs, but customers only so far 100 are coming. So that is the annotation in dashboard. Based upon the images, you are able to understand. If it started smiling, smiley is coming, oh, Joshua will understand nicely. That is why customer feedback. Now customer feedback is moving towards the smiley images. Images only speak. That is the purpose of dashboard in digital marketing. Even in case of Amazon, you can see now in some of the products, they are moving towards the emojis. In case of your social media, you are using only the emojis for that purpose. So that is the Rasta approach. So according to this approach, what this unwanted author is saying, it should be relevant. The dashboard should be accurate, simple, timely, and annotated. We have discussed never write the meaning based upon the 1942 style. Write the meaning based upon the present style. So next, we are going to see different types of dashboards. You can see the dashboards. This is from the Clipfolio. If you are running a marketing shop, you can see first one is the check dashboard. Check dashboard will clearly say you about the ratings. Who are all there? How many persons are here? You can see that images. I think I'm unable to expand more than that one. The images they will display. What type of source, what type of session, how many customers are entering. That is the check dashboard, which is used for online marketing. How many customers? The green line is important. CMO marketing dashboard means it is for chief marketing officer. He wished to know different data, which product is moving, which is not moving. So this dashboard is designed for the chief marketing executives. Then for the purpose of analytics, especially the middle level manager, he will go for the search engine optimization because he is the person who is going to convert the funnel, a customer or even a public into a customer. That is why for him we need search engine optimization analytics. SEO analytics, we are using that one. So these are all some of the examples. Likewise, you can see the first one, the lead breakdown, what type of information you can see from the dashboard. I already told you, it should have some annotation. See that one, lead breakdown. Lead breakdown means how many customers are turning towards our advertisement and coming. The trials and non-trials. Trials means they have seen. In our example, our Joshua created a nice crab. He is posting in the social media a crab from Arabian Sea, and you can see these crabs are from Goa. Today morning only, these crabs have been caught in Goa, and it will arrive by Bangalore by morning 8:30, and our chef will make the nice dishes out of crab, and by 12 onwards it's ready for your lunch. A nice advertisement created. The trial see that how many of them will go and click that one. If nobody is clicking about the crab, the emoji will be crying. The analytics will show that 22.76% they clicked. Those who have seen that one, 22.76% clicked, because today none of the restaurant in Bangalore, they are offering crabs. Only Joshua is giving crabs to the customer. So most of the customer wish to see, oh, these people today, a crab meal is there, whether we can go there. So trials refers to the how many persons are clicking. Non-trial, most of them have passed through, but they are unable to get into that one. That is leads. Leads means how many customers are clicking, seeing, and making the orders. Throughout today, how many leads are coming for having the crab yesterday meals, all these things. You can see we used to call it as organic search, display, page search. This is used for the purpose of decision making. Based upon that, the dashboard will tell about the key conversion metrics. What is the marketing funnel? You already studied. Once again, we will also study in next class about these marketing funnels. Web user to lead, lead to trial, and web user to trial. How many persons you are able to convert? It is very less. We can't say that all the persons who are seeing the advertisement of Joshua regarding the crab meals will buy. We can't say. Here it shows that only 3.5% we are able to convert. That means if 100 persons are seeing the crab meals in the social media or in the advertisement created by our Joshua, only 3.54% of the customers are going to visit the Joshua's restaurant and have a nice Arabic crabs from Goa. Then the quality of trials. Whether our existing customers in that one. Harish is the existing customer of Joshua. So he is able to know whether Harish has seen that one. If Harish is seeing that one, Joshua will know, oh, whether our regular customer already saw this advertisement, whether he will come or not, that is the question mark. If he is not coming, What will be the preference of the Harish? It has to tell. So what type of social media the people are seeing for our Joshua restaurant? Here you can see when Joshua posted in the social media about the crabs, Arabic crabs of Goa, 26,472 likes. In Twitter, 6,000 something followers and 13,911 subscribers saw in YouTube and 2,385 followers are in the thing. That is quite common. This dashboard will provide such type of analytics. Based upon that, what Joshua will think, okay, our Facebook subscribers, our Facebook friends are very keen in eating crab. So that is the dashboard technique. The dashboard should inform. That is the Rasta approach of dashboard in analytics. Whatever the dashboard is telling, we are able to know. You can see here is an example of CMO dashboard. CMO dashboard means the marketing officer, chief marketing officer dashboard. He mentioned that 8,277 users. See that one. Users in the sense, according to CMO, you will see, oh, today is the crab day. We are having totally 8,277 customers. Out of that, only 214 customers are coming today. See that one, how you will do. Then it will tell about the quantity, what type of budget we can have for the crab. All these things it will develop. Quality of the trial, same thing. It will give the comparison with the previous month and this month, a comparison, how engagement in different social media previously and now. That is for decision making. Last month, when Joshua brings the crab, it attracts 500 customers, but today it is going to attract only 300 customers. So why there's a difference? For CMO, it will reflect. For middle level managers, the dashboard won't tell all those things. It means that the dashboard should be in a flexible manner. That's what we mean. Okay? That is the advantage of this CMO dashboard. Here you can see the search engine optimization dashboard. You can see that one, this type of dashboard will tell you about organic one. Organic one means who are all seeing on the search engine website and entering into that one. Then display from our side, referral, social, email, web traffic. Put together, we used to call it as web traffic. In search engine optimization dashboard, you can see the web traffic. You can see green color means, okay, good, it's doing well. But if it is red color, it is not doing well. Even you can see Google Analytics landing pages. You know about the landing pages, the final page in which they are going to see the ad. It will show clearly how many users are seeing that one. Total search traffic percentage, it will show clearly. A subtype, all those things. This is the search engine optimization. And keywords, it will identify which keyword it is moving towards. Here it is a cloth item, so it is like that one. But in our example, what type of meals, non-vegetarian meals, it may be the keyword. Even some cases, name of the fish may be the keywords. The keyword should be clearly known. Okay, that is the advantage of search engine optimization software, which is used as the dashboard. Likewise, email. How many emails we have sent? What is the response for that email? That is from the email marketing dashboard. You can see that one. It will tell you how many emails you have sent, how many open, how many clips have been made. You can see in the one example, an organization sent 9,650, 9650, 9,600 emails, but only 1,875 opened. Out, that means only 19% of the customers opened that one and they clicked. Clicking rate is only 145. Some of them open the email, they have not seen. But after opening, only 145 persons are seeing that one. It means that the clicking rate is 1.5%. You are able to know that one. In case of this type of display, it will show clearly. We may not know that our mail has been opened or not, but in case of dashboard, it will tell clearly. Even now, there are a number of tools available for you in sending the email. I think you know when this mail has been opened by the receiver, you may know. That is how the dashboards are identified. These are all the examples from the Clipfolio. Likewise, this is the example of the web analytics, social analytics dashboard. It shows clearly the percentage of lead in each and every year. You can see that one. This is the social media dashboard. It will tell clearly how many persons are referring from the product of us, Google, how many persons are seeing the Google ads given by our Joshua, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. Of course, here it is not famous than Twitter. Instagram also now it has been added in some of the things because since it is 3 months old, it is they are not mentioned, but now they added almost all the social media. And they used to give the social metrics also. How many persons referred, what are all the conversion, what are all the events you have created. All these things, it will inform you. Okay? That is why the traffics are called as direct traffic. Direct traffic means directly seeing the ad and coming. Harish is seeing the crab ad of the Joshua, is directly coming. Referral traffic means Harish will inform to his friend. Harish will inform to Jeffin. Jeffin will inform to other. Jeffin may inform to Vishnu. Then Vishnu to Rohan, it will go. That is the referral traffic. Organic search traffic. They will directly enter by entering into the search engines. Say for example, our Justin is in need of crab meat. So what Justin will do? He is searching where crab is available in Bangalore today. So directly he is in need of crab today. So what Justin will search in the Google itself is searching crab availability in Bangalore. So it means Justin is a potential customer. He is considered as an organic customer. Be clear. Because Justin is in need of crab today. Others, by seeing the advertisement of Joshua only, they are searching. They are not organic persons. Organic persons means they are the potential customer. In our example, Justin needs crab meal today. So what Justin is doing, he is searching in Google crab meat availability, Arabian crab availability in Bangalore restaurants. Then the Google is saying the advertisement given by the Joshua. Then he is clicking and entering. The Justin is considered as an organic. Be clear. Likewise, some other persons, what they will do, they won't see all those things. In case of Sashi is not need of crab, but Sashi is going in front of the Joshua's restaurant and saying, oh, there's one ad for crab. By seeing that crab ad only, Sashi is in need of, why can't we can have a today's crab meal? Then Sashi is not an organic searcher in digital marketing, because after seeing the ad only, he has been motivated. Organic is different. Justin is different. Justin needs crab meal today. That is why he's searching through the search engine optimization with the term crab. But in case of Sashi, it is not like that. Sashi, after seeing the ad only, he is thinking, oh, this Joshua ad is nice. It is like an Arabian dish. And crab is the taking and eating the crab is something different. You must know how to cut and eat. So by seeing this advertisement of Joshua, now it creates this nice stimulus among the Sashi. Why can't we can go and take a crab? This is the stimulus package, but this is not an organic one. That is called the campaign traffic. Be clear. Organic search is done by the Justin, whereas Sashi has done the campaign traffic. Campaign traffic means the campaign of the advertisement created by the Joshua. Joshua will mention when one side in Arabian Sea, then the crab, and the person who is eating a crab, nicely he might have created that one. Now the campaign traffic is very important. By seeing that one, Sashi is coming. So for Sashi, it is the key terms are based upon the campaign traffic, whereas Justin is considered as an organic search traffic. It's coming under the organic. So you must know when you are creating the dashboard, you must know clearly whether customers are attracted by direct traffic, referrals. Referrals, one person will inform to others. That is quite common. Rogan, by seeing the advertisement, will inform to Vishnu. Vishnu, today our Joshua is giving the crab meat, so he'll go and eat crab in Joshua's restaurant. See that one, that is the referral. Organic, without knowing the basic thing, somebody is in need, he is directly coming and seeing. Campaign, by seeing the advertisement, is the stimulus have been created. So our dashboard is able to show all those things. Then only the marketing manager is able to take decision. You can see that is why they used to call it as purchase funnel, dormancy rate, then the lead conversion rate. In case of organic search, there is nothing, because just he needs crab, he himself come. But in campaign traffic, your advertisement effect will be known clearly. The Joshua's ad of a crab meal, you are able to find out. That is the advantage of the dashboard. So, based upon this discussion, you must know what is the dashboard, why we need a dashboard, what type of information we can create in the dashboard, you must know clearly. Okay, these are all the dashboard. You can see some of the examples of the dashboard created by ClickFollow. It depends upon the softwares. Different softwares are there. They are creating a new type of dashboards. Okay. So with this, I will conclude the class. So now I am taking the attendance. So now you can switch on your video as well as your mic. Unmute yourself. Yes, Jebin. Jebin is not there. Rohan.
Present, sir.
Rohan is there. Okay. Vishnu.
Present, sir.
Switch on your camera, Vishnu. Harish.
Yes, sir.
Harish. He is there. Jeffin. Jeffin. I saw him. See that this elective subject, we are getting the passcode, everything from other department. So from Zoom, we can't do. If you are using the M1, M2 ID, we are able to generate. That is why I'm taking attendance. Yes, Tall Joshua. Were there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Small Joshua is also there. Justin?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rahul?
Present, sir.
Rahul is there. Joel?
Present, sir.
I am unable to see your face, Joel. Sanat?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Sanat?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay. Rakesh?
Yeah, I'm here, sir.
Okay. Sharath?
Present, sir.
Where you are, Sharath? I am unable to see your face. Vinay? Vinay is nicely sitting. Good, Vinay. Sashi?
Present, sir.
Your birthday celebration over?
My birthday celebration.
Okay, well, I know. Stephen? What happened to Stephen? Abhijit? You won't come. Okay, but thank you. You can have a nice crab meal today. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.